Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. This is Autofly. My name is Gautam Heple, and today this video is about giving my car for service. Now, if you've been following the channel, there's a lot of work done on this car, especially because of the Valley Run. Our Valley Run video, you should check it out. It was epic. But I did a lot of work on this car in terms of exhaust and stage 1 remap, etc. So of course the exhaust is back to stock now, so we had put a full titanium exhaust which sounded epic. You should check out that video. And now I have to get the map out first. So right now I'm going to N1 Racing to remove the map, and then after that give this car for service. So stick around guys. If you enjoyed this video, do give us a thumbs up and of course subscribe to the channel. So I'm on the way now, and for those of you who don't know and haven't checked out the video, you should check out the video of where I did a stage 1 remap to this car. So this car is running Super Chips stage 1, and with that we got a severe bump in power, and you should check out that video to find out how much. Now the car is going to feel very different because now it'll be stock. So stock will be 180 horsepower, and I'm going to feel a significant difference in power, which I'm a little sad about, but it's alright because I'm gonna keep it for maybe a week or two on stock and then go back to stage 1. Right now we're headed to N1 Racing and they are gonna get it back to stock for me, and then we'll see. Once I reach there, I'll show you all how the process is done. It's not a very difficult process actually. It's quite easy. So that's gonna be done, and then after that I'll give my thoughts on how it drives on stock. It's gonna be a while after. It's gonna be at least 7-8 months since the car has been on stage 1, so now I'm gonna feel the difference on stock. So I'm kind of sad about it, but also intrigued. Yeah. Look at that Aventador, guys. Oh, beautiful car, man. Oh. So I just reached N1 and now it's time to go in.
Shawty, you got me crazy. Say gon' be my lady. Say gon' have my baby. But you been coming late. Thinking I made a mistake when I fell in love with you. Cause you shot me through my heart and I wanna be done with you. Type of girl I don't deserve, cause to make sure I was good. Now I wanna hit the curve and forget about you. Drive me through the dirt, messing up my groove. That's why I made this verse.
Hey guys, what's up? So I just got done with putting it back to stock and I'm just getting out of N1 now. Always a good experience to go there and see these beautiful cars lined up there and work getting done. But now, yeah, I mean, I'm in a little bit of a hurry, so I left and now I'm back to stock. So it's kind of, right now it's kind of okay because I haven't driven much and I can't exactly tell the difference, but once I actually get some open road, then I'm going to try it out, and here we go. Okay, yeah, so I do feel the difference. So initial torque from the Super Chips is insane, and now I don't feel that initial torque, which I'm supposed to. So a clear difference there. Though no complaints, this car is powerful, but it's just that, you know, that extra little bit of juice. Yeah, so that little extra bit of juice is missing now. Now it's time to go for service, and then soon the stage 1 will be back. So service time. Good morning guys, so today is service day. I don't know why I'm so excited. It's service and I have to pay for it, but yeah, it's okay. I'm kind of excited that the car will feel much better after getting serviced. A beautiful morning, and hopefully I'll get the car back today itself, and I'll let you all know exactly how much it costs. It's my second service, by the way, and it's either 30,000 kilometers or 2 years, and obviously I haven't done 30,000 kilometers, so now I'm on the way and let's hope for the best. Hopefully they don't overcharge but yeah, that's the hope at least. that's about it. I'll update you all once I drop off the car, some B-roll. The most important is how much work is done on the second service. So see you guys there. Hey guys, what's up? I just dropped off the car and it's gone for service. There it is. I don't know if you can see it. So I will update you all once the car comes and the final cost. They've given a huge estimate for now, but I will let you all know once things move along. And there are some epic cars over here. Aston Martin Rapide. Ta-da. So yeah. So the car luckily has been delivered straight to my house, so I didn't have to go and pick it up. Now I'm gonna go drive it and see how the car is driving after the service. Hopefully all good. And then I'm gonna explain to you actual costs incurred, because I think that's the most interesting part of this video. So the costs incurred. Now I wouldn't want to bore you with all the details, but overall this was more expensive, the second service, because now they charge labor cost. The first service was around 9,000 rupees if you check out our video, but this time it's a little more expensive because labor charges have been added for the second service, and the rest the service has been the same. The brake fluid has been topped up, air filter has been changed, engine oil, cabin filter, etc. The normal stuff. But even though I did the extremely basic service, it still cost about 16,500 rupees.
That's me money walking out the door.
That's quite a bit, but what can you do? I mean, Skoda charges that much, and whatever you say, the service was fast. I got an appointment easily. They in fact delivered the car home. That was really good on their part, and they didn't charge me for that. But what's interesting is in the initial, so when I went there to drop off the car, the first quotation was like 29,000, which was insane. So I asked him, what all is there, and of course a lot of additional stuff was put in. Isn't really required because it's just a second service. So I had to cut down a lot, and finally it came down to 16.5, and still they added some stuff, during the service was going on. I got a call, so I said no, that's not required. At the end of the day, just watch out for this when you drop off your car. Please go through your initial quote properly. So don't just let them pick up your car and take it. You should go and just have a look at what they are doing, what work they are doing, and what they are charging you for it, because it's very easy to get overcharged for things. So keep that in mind. But overall it is expensive, but what can you do? You have to go to the company service centers, because your warranty will get void if you do it outside. So initially, now the warranty is for 4 years. So be prepared. If you're buying such a car, just be ready to pay such amounts. But overall, no regrets. I mean, I love this car, so no regrets there. Now the next step is to put the remap back, and then there's going to be something else which I am planning to do to this car, so stay tuned for that. So that's about it, guys. Thank you so much for checking in. Hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it brought some value to you, and if you did, do subscribe to the channel, like this video, and also check out our other videos which you will find interesting. A lot of our content is based on and around the Skoda Octavia. So if you do have that car, it's very useful for you. Thank you so much for tuning in. Take care, guys. See you on the next one. Cheers.